Travala.com promo codes tutorial. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you about Travala.com and how you can use it. So let's get into it. So first things first, what you want to do is you want to come over here and you want to sign up, and you can sign up by clicking the link in the description below. You'll also find some promo codes and coupon codes that you can apply and save up to 60, 40, 50%. So make sure you check that out. And having said that, let's move on. So here you can see we got two options. We've got the stay, flight, and activities option right here. So here you can go ahead and select for your, properties or places you want to visit. You've got your date and day and how many people are going to be with you. All right. You also have the register option over here. Of course, you can go ahead and register it. Make sure you check the link in the description. And then we have the flight option over here, and we have the activities option over here. So let's go with the flight option here. We're going to select flying from and flying to. So let's go with LAX. There we go. And then we'll go to Maldives like that. All right. And then we just select our dates. I think this is okay. And then we hit the search button. All right. So there we go. Unfortunately, there's no rides. There's no flights available. So let's go ahead and try to find something else. Let's go ahead and pick this destination right here. Right. So we'll go with Portugal. And then over here. Yeah, I think we're good to go. Then we'll go ahead and search. We can find some other destinations down below, but yeah, we should find some flights over here in Portugal. And here we go. All right, so now we can go ahead and select whichever one we want. These are different hotels right here. I didn't want to stay in Portugal, just wanted a flight, but let me go ahead and select flight. Here we go, flight to Paris. Yeah, there we go. We're gonna go with Paris, and here we go. So we got all these different options. We got Milan, Nice to Paris, Lebanon to Paris, Pobulus to Paris, Rome, New York, whatever we want. Let's go with New York to Paris. Select one of the flights that are available over here. Select whichever one you want. And then here you got all these different options. Yeah, I think this is okay. We're gonna click on next, and then here fill out this form, and at the end in the payment section you can go ahead and add your promo codes. I don't want to add all of this information as of right now since it's weird. It's quite a lot. But yeah, after that, after the passenger details, you can add your payment method and apply the promo codes and coupon codes that you can find in the description below. So thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and until next time, take care and goodbye.